In this video, we will look at how to use the bookmarking text by example tool using the Auto-Bookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This tutorial shows how to automatically bookmark PDF text that matches properties and attributes of the selected text examples. This is the simplest and fastest method to generate bookmarks in a PDF document based on text properties such as font style, text size, and optionally color. The bookmark text by example can use the following text properties and attributes: font name, font size, text color, text location on the page, and text case filter. First, highlight desired text to select a text sample. Then click on the menu button, select the plugins option, click on Bookmarks, and select the Bookmark Text by Example option. The properties and attributes of the selected text example will be automatically added into the selected styles box. If it is necessary to add more than one style, then highlight another text sample and press the Add Style from Selected Text button. Bookmarks can be generated at different levels. Double-click on the level entry in the list to set a desired bookmark level. Specify where bookmarks are inserted in the Add Bookmarks section. Click on the Run button to start processing. As you can see, the bookmarks have been created. You can now manually examine the results. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.